Did you know that V3 allows your customers to scan a QR code to access their account? Well, your customers are able to log in to your customer portal, view job status information. They can view pictures and invoices, have them sign documents using their mobile device. See, this will free you up to focus on the task at hand rather than constantly providing updates for your customers. So we are in the company settings right now, and you will want to go in here and set that up. Make sure your business hours are set, your tax rate, and your company information before you add any jobs. I wanted to show you the chat feature. If you look up at the top, see that little bell, there's a notification that will let you know you have a message from your customer. During normal business hours, they can send you messages and you can reply to them. It's a quick way to get information to and from your customer. That way you guys are up to date. Customer can easily say, hey, update this or add a part or whatever quickly using the chat feature rather than calling you, saving you a lot of time. As you can see, it has jobs, parts. You can add technicians. Right here, this is the time clock, which tracks hours. So if you want to charge your customer by the hours that it takes to actually work on a job, you can track that and charge them right there using the dashboard. So let's get into this. I'd like to show you how easy it is so right now we're at the dashboard. I want to show you how easy it is to just use the system, even with a mobile. Like right now we're on an iPhone. It has everything you need here to do your business, and the power of your hand and the power of your phone. You can change status information, you can view balances, you can quickly update things. This is going to be a huge game changer. So here's the time clock. Let's say we're working on job number 3. We simply click start and the time clock is running. So when you're done working on the job, you simply clock out and it will add that time to the invoice. Now, whether you charge the customer for that time that worked is up to you. You have a little checkbox there that says charge customer, yes or no. So let's add a customer here. Look at that. We're adding first name, last name, and address, just the basic information. Now, if you add your customer's email address, you have the option to send the customer an email with their login information so they can access the customer portal. And of course, in that customer portal is where they will be able to see right there where it says need to send mail. If you check that box, when you save it, it's going to send them an email with their information. So I'm doing that right now. I'm typing in a beta test email address here so that way I can pull it up later, and I'm going to do a video on how to access it as if I were a customer. It's super simple. So we're going to save that. So here we've added a customer from the iPhone. How nice is that? We've added a customer. Now we need to click add job. What would you like to do? I just want to add one job. I'll click on add job. You have the option to put a reference number in there if you would like. What species is it? We'll say it is a bobcat. Mount type. We're looking for life size or full. And F. There we go. Full body mount. Nope. So it's a bobcat life size mount. And the customer wanted laying on the right side. We have notes, job notes not seen by customer. There's a tear in ape right side, not rat side. There we go. And then we click save. So now we've added a customer, we've added a job. And now we just need to put in the labor. This is the details tab that has all of your dates, and these dates your customer will be able to see in the customer portal. They'll also be able to see the job totals, and this tab here the customer will be able to see. So let's type in the labor. There we go. Looking Bobcat, life size, quantity 1. Price, we'll change that price to $8.50. The next time we come in here, that price will be $8.50. And there's the shipping. Let's say we're going to ship it to the customer. We'll charge them $125. Check box to charge and add to job. So now, we've just added that item, Bobcat, labor, to the job. We've added a customer. We've added a job. We've added a labor. Now we need to add a payment. So let's say the customer left us $400 as a deposit. And they paid us cash. And the payment date was today. Click OK. And add to job. There we go. At this point in time, we are ready to print the invoice. If you wanted to add more information, you can. We'll slide over to here where it says View Invoice, and now we're actually looking at the invoice that we created from our mobile device that our customer can now, while you're standing there with him at a job site, you can have the customer scan that QR code or have the customer sign it right there while you're at the job site. Then all you have to do is click on Print Email, and away you go. So listen, this power to have the customer sign, pay, access, status, I've said it once, I don't have any other words. It is a game changer for the taxidermy industry. Log in, sign up, let's get you in there. 14-day free trial. You have nothing to lose.